Kevin Walters here, once again with Costa Rica Investment Properties. Today we have a great property. Well, all of our properties are great, but this one's actually a little bit more special than others. This is a boutique hotel located on the south end of Jaco. So let's go ahead and get into the video, but make sure you watch until the end because we've got some great drone footage of where the location is exactly at. This fully remodeled 2-story, 14-room boutique hotel is mixed with shared rooms as well as private rooms, full turnkey, and currently taking reservations. Key features of this property are its welcome/concierge office, shared kitchen, bar, and stunning covered lounge area looking straight out to the pool that sets one cool vibe. This property is perfect for digital nomads and short-term vacationers, close to everything Jaco has to offer, especially the beach. Here you can see this property truly ticks all the boxes for location. For more detailed information, visit the description area below for more special features, as well as our contact details. And if you like this video, don't be afraid to give us a thumbs up.